Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Zoho One Business Suite. Review my usage experience. Zoho One Business Suite is a comprehensive suite of business applications designed to streamline various aspects of running a company. It's targeted at small to medium-sized businesses and offers tools for CRM, email marketing, project management, accounting, and more. Key features include email management, contact management, task management, and invoicing. Their website provides details on the full range of integrated applications. Zoho One positions itself as an all-in-one solution, aiming to eliminate the need for multiple disparate software subscriptions. They emphasize ease of use and integration between the different apps within the suite. Their website highlights transparent pricing, although specific pricing varies depending on the plan. The suite uses a cloud-based infrastructure, accessible from any internet-connected device. Availability is global, but you can check their website for specific region details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Zoho One. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The initial setup took less than an hour, and their onboarding process was well structured with helpful tutorials. Navigating the interface was intuitive, particularly the CRM and email client, which I used most frequently. I found creating and managing customer contacts incredibly straightforward, and the integrated email system allowed me to effortlessly track communications directly within the CRM. I was particularly impressed by the task management system. Setting deadlines, assigning tasks, and tracking progress was very efficient. Performance was generally excellent, with minimal downtime or lag. I did have a quick question about setting up custom workflows, and their support responded within a day via email, very helpful. One minor drawback was the somewhat steep learning curve for some of the more advanced features, like the detailed reporting tools. It took me a couple of weeks to fully understand all the functionalities offered. The standout feature for me was definitely the seamless integration between the different applications. Everything worked together harmoniously. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Zoho One. It streamlines my workflow significantly and offers excellent value for the price. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and improved my business processes considerably. That's my overview of Zoho One Business Suite. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.